Welcome to Moza Music, a platform where we create music to Kwaba. Always break the number, let's try and get the message behind the song with positive feedback. We inspire others, basically post non-toxic and content as this one like I. My tripod is back. Oh my god, finally. Yo, you don't bring so lion. Yeah. So anyway, as I am shooting this, we are sitting on 522 subscribers. Crazy. It is insane, yo. Please keep sharing the page, telling others as well. Let's just grow this page. So there is a lady, angazi ukhonza kuliphi ibandla. She's been making rounds on the internet wasezayuni. Angimazi sonta kuliphi ibandla, and yo, I don't know, ngimbona ku TikTok kakhulu. And I'm like, yo, what's going on? Like what is going on? And then I remember it's going to be kunomshado, right? So I was like, start looking for these videos, but I don't know if it's this particular video. I don't know, Sisobon. But she's just been making rounds on the internet, bro. Mama says Ayoni. So we're reacting to Ukuthula kwamakrestu siphila emhlabeni and amen. So I don't know what to expect. I don't know ukuthi wakuliphi, but I don't know. But I will find out obviously myself. So without wasting you guys' time, as much yeah. Abantu besimama so she's from the church. Lebe inenkonzo umshado. What's the name of the church that was getting married, bro? Like, what is the name of the church? I will find out eventually, but I genuinely have to look for that video because, bro, she's been making rounds, bro. Like, I'm saying, look, one scroller on TikTok, maybe every after 5 video, kuhlangana nobuso bakhe neZion. Keep scrolling, 6th or 7th video, it's her again. And I was like, hey, yo, what's going on? So now, mind you, I wasn't like really listening because I don't want to spoil stuff for myself. So I would be like, okay, this is interesting. And then I will scroll on. this is some old school singing right here. This is like some old school, like, bro. This are one of the things as like, that just cannot die. Like we like, nope, we are not doing that. We are skipping it like this. This is sorry for that. Yeah, it's like it's one of those, like, those things where you go like, bro, we're keeping this like this, bro. Like, bro, like, and it's crazy because Zonke Zion Maskula, we didn't like the song. Zion one, we would look at it and be like, go stand there and be like, eat too much. Yes, that's a scene. This is some old school singing right here, bro. And then the first part, lady, this lady, bro. You I don't care, bro. Like, I don't care. Like, I genuinely don't care. I don't care what you be doing at what time. But as soon as the national anthem Mr. Zion comes on, you leave everything that you do. You leave. You leave everything that you do. It's a setup, yeah. Mm. Monga I join. Kwatela songs, but sense ukubheka so sithi sikubuze why silapho wena ukho yini inkinga mayelana problem nama turn up. I'm still. We genuinely need to find. Like, we genuinely need to find the origin of Amen. Like, where does this thing come from? Like, bro, how did this thing come about? And then why? You understand? Like, genuinely, bro, like, it's impossible. This thing is contagious. Everyone goes to church for this. Okay, it's Zion. There is no way you can console Zion and then you say Visipel, like, amen. Ah, baba ngithi nasemngcwabeni mfethu ukhala mfethu ushonelwe. You are lying, you are there. Telling you, bro. Nje abantu basegeneral ngicela amavideo tu yebo nami bengishonelwe but ngicela amavideo amen lalela with Rovid bra leyo 3-4 minutes bathi silethwe like kancane nje buti because from that chances of this song being sang again are very small because now everyone is gonna come in will come in with whatever bashaye chorus and then kwabe kamnandi chorus and out. So almost 90% of the churches bazoxhasa whenever there is something that's happening at your church or at that particular church. Chances of amen being sang are very small because everyone wants to showcase what they're doing. Obviously. So when an opportunity like this arises, bruh, we are gonna take it because we're like, oh, why not? Oh. Yini manje? If not one of the best amens I've reacted to, then I don't know. I think this year alone, I mean maybe it's like what 5, but abandlulu 10, abandlulu 10 because last week there was one I was reacting to. Hey, abantu ba TikTok bacishe bangigunyela yona, and then it's this one, bro. Amen is the one. It's the one. Umlamuleli wa yonke into engenzakalisayo uma unenkinga qala amen yophela yonke into eyenziwayo laphaya. I'm telling you, bro. That's why we need to find out ukuthi amen usuka waqala kanjani, who came up with this whole concept, because like I mean like what do you mean? Like what do you mean? Uthi lay national anthem and it drives everybody crazy. Everyone, omdala omncane, ugogo umkhulu. So yo, keep on subscribing, like and share to others as well. So you're in the favorite way to fool me, Street Trooper. I'm signing out. Adios. Hey, cool.